to HubMat Coder, and we were in the Mac setup part, and we are done with first step, install Flutter SDK, second step, setuping the Android Studio, and now we are going to do the third step, Android Emulator setup. In this step, you just need to follow along with me. We were here in the previous video. Now you just need to tap this AVD manager, okay, and here you can see I had already a device. You might not have any, and you just need to tap this button, create virtual device. Now select the device. I recommend you to select one which has this Play Store button, okay, then tap next, and then select one system image where this Google Play is written over in the side, okay, and then you have to click download, just like I have Pi installed or downloaded in my machine. If I want to audio to be installed in the new emulator, I just need to download that, okay. As you can see, it is a 700 MB or something like that size of download, so it will take some time. For my case, I am just cancelling this download because I have already something downloaded, like sorry, it is okay. So let me press next, and so in your case it is not downloaded, then you just need to download that and press OK. Okay, then you just select that operating system called Pi, or you may select audio as well. Then next, and you can set some advanced settings like how much memory I want to give. Let me give 4 GB of memory instead of 2 GB internal storage. Here you can set up some more, okay, and then finish. And now you can see the new device came here, and you just need to tap this button, and this will open the emulator over here. And one thing you need to do before the device is boots up, the device actually this is a device like when you bought some new device from market, okay, it first time it will boot up, okay. In the meantime, let me give some command over here in the terminal section. Just write flutter doctor to see whether everything is set up correctly. The Flutter is installed, so it has a green tick over in the left side, okay. It should be the same in your machine too, because we together had installed Flutter, okay. And you can see a lot of red crosses. Don't worry, we will not have those red crosses once we installed everything. And you can see that green tick over this Android Studio as well. And in your machine, the Android tool chain in the left side of this thing may not be green ticked, it may have an exclamation mark, okay. So in that case, there should be an instruction to write some command. The command is something like, you just need to type that command. The command is something like flutter doctor, I think, dash Android licenses, something like this, okay. Forgive me if the command doesn't match with this. So you just have to copy and paste the command written in this step here and press enter. Then if I press enter, then it will say all the Android licenses has been accepted, and in your case it will pop up and say that please accept this license by enter Y and next and next. So you just need to enter Y 4 or 5 times, okay, in your case. So once you are done, then just run flutter doctor again, and then you will see that this will be green ticked, this will be green ticked, okay, and this Android Studio will be green ticked. And once this emulator will start running, this connected device will be also green ticked. If these four, like this connected device, this Android Studio, this Android toolchain, and the Flutter, these four, if in your case these four green ticked, then you are ready to go for developing apps on Flutter on Android, but you are not yet set it up for iOS app development, okay. So if this 4 is ticked, actually this is taking too much time, so let me open this emulator, because this emulator may not take that much amount of time, okay. Actually this emulator is taking so much time because this is the first time it is opening. Actually this opened up, so I don't need this. I just open this in a hurry so that I can show you, but now it will take more time, I think. Well, you can see that this device has booted up much faster than the new device. Once this device boot once, then this device will work faster as this device as well, okay. So this is just for the first time. You can close this, okay. Now you can see that both the emulator is showing over here, okay. And now if you run flutter doctor, then I just need to close one of these, okay. Let me close this, because this is the first time it has boot up, so it may behave unexpectedly. Actually you can see that these two things, this is connected device is green ticked saying that two available, Android Studio is green ticked, and this Android toolchain is green ticked, and Flutter is also green ticked. Now you are ready to go for Android app development. As this is a dummy app, counter app, has been, the code has been written by Flutter team. So let me close this first, okay, so that one emulator is open up here, okay. So this, you don't need to edit anything in this code, you just need to run this, okay. Now you can see just one emulator is open over here, and you just run this by pressing this button, okay. It should run in this device properly, because we have everything set up for Android app development. In the next video we will talk about, or we will go through how we can set up an iOS emulator and run apps on iOS emulator as well. This is also takes some time when it runs the app for the first time. you can skip 10 or 15 seconds if you feel bored. Actually it is boring. I am giving you just a uncut video so that you can understand, or we can go along together. You just skip 10 or 15 seconds of this video because it will take some time. Well, it has been built the app and installing the app on this device. Okay, and you can see the app has been installed on this device. Now the app is going to launch. This is the demo app, really simple demo app. You can see the counter app. Okay, so this is it. If you reached this point along with me, you are good to go to develop Android apps on Flutter in your Mac as well. And if you are willing to develop iOS app as well, then just follow along with me in the next video. Thank you.